Hello again, people. I am here today tonight, working on a Model 92 Maytag. This one was made in November of 1936. But can't really see down in there, but that's the crankcase. But got all the parts. There's the base plate and brass gasket for the exhaust. Main problem on this motor was actually the carburetor and this gasket right here, which seals the back and the carburetor on. But working on cleaning it up and get it put back together. Got a gasket set in the mail, but we'll check back in a little bit.